So I thought I would make a video about this. I try and have a good habit of unloading the spool when I'm done printing. So when there's a function on here called unload. Right. Well, so you go to filament and then unload. What that does is it will heat up the nozzle and then you can actually pull the filament all the way out. If you don't have time for that, there's also this cutter here. You push the cut thing and then you just unroll the spool. But whatever you do want to unroll the spool, because at least where I live, if you leave this on here for a day, it just gets brittle and it just breaks. And then it gets stuck in this tube. And you gotta take the tube off and try and get the plastic out, which is what I'm doing right now. So it's just one tip that I had that I didn't follow myself, but now I'm regretting. I am the 3D printing lawyer. Thank you. Have a good day. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.